Are you looking for the best mini blenders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best mini blenders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Black Plus Decker Crushmaster. When you want a kitchen classic blender, you cannot go wrong with this one right here for your use. The appliance has been designed with up to 550 watts of power usage so that it is able to deliver those ice-crushing performances. The 10 speeds that it has been fitted with will ensure that you have the best type of control of your blender. The 6-cup jar that it has of about 48 ounces is easy to pour from. After use, cleanup is always what is rated as a problem, and I can assure you that the way that it has been made will provide you a convenient cleaning time. At number 4, Portable Blender, Personal Size Blender Smoothies and Shakes. The PCTG material that has been used to make this item is what makes it one of the best when it comes to making smoothies, juices, shakes, masks, baby food, and many others that you will feel like having. It comes designed with a battery that is able to support it to work up to 3 to 5 hours when it has some continuous use. Thanks to the long life battery that is also strong enough to get things moving and the blades cutting. At number 3, NutriBullet NBR1201 12-piece high-speed blender. Your health is always important, and the first thing that you can is to transform it the best way that you can. One of the ways that you can do that is by eating healthy foods. The machine here is the one that will start it all for you. It is an original one with a 600W power ability to cut and squeeze and crush all that you need to be crushed. The simple and intuitive design that it has been designed with is what makes it the best. In under 60 seconds, you can be sure of having your smoothies ready for drinking. At number 2, Vitamix Professional Series 750 Blender, Professional Grade. Automated type of blenders is what is taking the market with a storm. This one has been designed with 5 pre-programmed settings that will ensure you have an easy cleaning process and provide you with results that are consistent at all times. The 64-ounce container has been given a low profile, and that's why it is perfect for use in handling of meals and also able to fit in your kitchen cabinets with ease. Never worry about which kind of ingredients that you will be having because the stainless steel blades are ready for the task. At number 1, NutriBullet NBR601 Nutrient Extractor. You can now load the machine with your ingredients, and within no time, you can be sure of having them ready for use right away. Have all that mixed up like nuts, berries, and spinach, and you can be sure that your lifestyle will change for the better at all times. It has been designed with a powerful 600 motor that is ready to work and will never leave anything unturned to the expected form that you wanted it or them to have. The stainless steel blades are also unique as they use cyclonic action to ensure those tough ingredients are broken down with ease. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.